Hello, boys and girls. Oh, hello, ABC-chan. How are you?
I'm doing great.
皆さん元気ですか? How are you? All of you boys and girls.
We're doing great, Mr. White.
Good. Today, we are going to study STU. First, let's write the big S. S は書きやすい. S is easy to write. 蛇の形するから. It looks like a snake. Let's write the big S together. S. Big S. ABC-chan, can you write big S? おむじ S を書けますか?
Sure.
Good job. Boys and girls, can you write big S? S, 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 S. Now, let's write the small s.
Sure, Mr. White.
S, S. 蛇みたいね. Looks like a snake. ABC-chan, can you write small s?
Sure.
Thank you. 皆さん、小文字 S を書いてくれますか? Can you, boys and girls, write the small s?
Sure, Mr. White.
Thank you. S. Sun. Sun は太陽. S-U-N. Let's write sun. S-U-N. ABC-chan, can you also write sun?
Sure, Mr. White.
Thank you. 皆さんもちっちゃい S を書いてください. Sun. S-U-N. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Now, let's study T. 書きやすいよ. It's easy to write. Let's write T together. 1, 2. Big T. Can you write big T, ABC-chan?
Sure.
Good job. Boys and girls, 皆さんは big T を書いてください. Boys and girls, write the big T. 1, 2. Good job. Good job. Okay. Small t. 書きやすいよ. It's easy to write. Watch. 1, 2. ABC-chan, please write small t. うまくできた. You did a good job. Now, boys and girls, also you write the small t. 1, 2. Good. Okay. T, 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 T. Turtle. T, U, R, T, L, E. Turtle. 皆さん書いてくれる? Will all of you please write turtle? ABC-chan も書いてください.
Sure, Mr. White.
Good job. So, let's study U. U is easy to write. U は書きやすいよ. 先生の手見て. Watch my hand. U. Can you write big U, ABC-chan?
Sure, Mr. White.
Good. Small u is the same. U. Okay. ABC-chan, write small u. Good boy. U. Umbrella は日本語で傘。傘。皆さんは傘を持ってますか? Do you all have umbrellas?
Yes.
What color is your umbrella, ABC-chan? ABC-chan, 君の傘の何色ですか?
Red.
Red. 赤ですね。赤ですね。Okay. Thank you for studying STU. Next time, we are going to study VWX. VWX. 歌って。Let's sing together. VWX. ABC-chan, can you sing VWX?
VWX.
Good job. Bye-bye. See you next time.